Hey everybody, welcome to our Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week I want to talk about what is good content because it's really important that you're putting content out there. The media will check you out before they use you. You've got to establish your expertise. You've got to have content out there. The easiest thing to do is to take a Facebook video, transcribe it on rev.com. And then you've got a blog post, you've got a Facebook video, you've got a blog post. Take that video, upload it to YouTube. If you're on Instagram, take a snippet. You can only use, I think it's 45 seconds, but you can create a little video there. Put it on LinkedIn. Do not send people from LinkedIn to YouTube, though. Do not send people from Facebook to YouTube. They don't like when you take them off of their site. And then make tweetables out of it. Not only tweet your video, but tweet that. That is good content. That's one piece of content, one video, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, that you can then put out everywhere in different formats, so it's not the exact same thing everywhere you go. So that will help establish you as the expert. So start doing those Facebook Lives, start sharing it everywhere. And if you want to do more with visibility, please join our free PR challenge at www.yourprchallenge.com. 10 minutes a day is all I ask for 10 days, and we will help you get massive visibility. And I can't wait to see you in the media.